In this video, we'll lean Roadmap how to start your study in Germany step by step. Step 1. Eligibility Assessment. Objective. Determine your qualification level and program eligibility. For bachelor's programs, standard entry, 13 years of education, completion of 2 semesters at a Pakistani university. Alternative path, FSC or DAE holders can enter through Studienkolleg, preparatory course. Direct entry, not available for FSC/DAE holders without additional qualifications. For master's programs, required 16-year education, 4-year bachelor's degree, or 18-year education. Not eligible, BSc or ADP holders. Action item, verify your educational credentials against these requirements before proceeding. Step 2. University research and shortlisting. Objective. Identify and shortlist suitable programs and institutions. Visit the DAAD, German Academic Exchange Service, international website. Use their search function to find programs in your field. Limitation. Search results may include some irrelevant programs. Critical analysis process. 1. Visit each university's DAAD page. 2. Navigate to the Requirements tab. 3. Review admission criteria carefully. 4. Focus on Language Requirements section. 5. Shortlist 10 to 12 programs that align with your qualifications. Create a Excel sheet documenting university names, program titles, application deadlines, and specific language requirements. Step 3. Language Requirement Fulfillment. Objective. Meet the language proficiency standards required for admission. Standard requirements. IELTS. Scores typically range from 6.0 to 7.0, depending on the program. TOEFL. Accepted as an alternative to IELTS. Coverage. 80 to 90% of universities accept IELTS/TOEFL. Alternative options. English Proficiency Certificate. 10 to 15% of universities accept Institutional English Proficiency certifications. Medium of Instruction Certificate. Some universities accept proof that your previous degree was taught in English. Strategic recommendation. While alternative certificates can work, IELTS preparation is strongly advised as it maximizes your university options, provides the most flexibility in applications. Action item. Register for IELTS examination and target the score required by your shortlisted universities. Step 4. Document preparation. Objective. Compile and prepare all required application materials. Essential documents checklist. 1. Academic records. 2. All educational certificates and transcripts, degree certificates, grade sheets/mark sheets. 3. Language certification. 4. IELTS or TOEFL certificate. Alternative. English Proficiency Certificate, if applicable. 5. Identity documentation. 6. Valid passport with at least 6 months validity beyond intended stay. 7. Professional documents. 8. Updated CV/resume. Recommendation letters from professors or employers if required. Statement of purpose/motivation letter. 9. Additional supporting materials. 10. Professional certifications, internship certificates, work experience letters, academic achievements and awards. 11. ECTS documentation. 12. European Credit Transfer System conversion. Detailed explanation provided in the e-book. Critical attestation timeline. During application, attestation is not required for most universities. After admission, begin attestation process for embassy interview. Embassy interview. All educational documents must be attested. Step 5. University application submission. Objective. Submit applications through the appropriate channels. 3 application methods. Method 1. Direct University Portal. Universities provide their own application platform. Submit documents directly to the institution. University evaluates and responds with admission decision. Method 2. Uni Assist application. Third-party application processing service. You submit to Uni Assist, not directly to university. UniAssist performs preliminary evaluation. If criteria are met, UniAssist forwards application to university. Purpose: manages high application volumes for participating universities. Method 3. VPD, preliminary review documentation, plus direct portal. First, apply to UniAssist for VPD certificate. Upon receiving VPD, apply to university's direct portal. Combines elements of both previous methods. How to determine your method. 1. Return to your shortlisted universities on DAAD. 2. Navigate to Requirements tab. 3. Scroll to Submit Application to section. 4. Follow the specified application procedure. Application format. 85% of universities. Online applications only. 15% of universities require physical document submission. Notarized document copies. Send via Pakistan Post, TCS, or DHL. Strategic recommendation. Apply to multiple universities, minimum 10 to 12, to maximize admission opportunities. Action item. Organize applications in a tracking spreadsheet with submission dates, methods used, and expected response timelines. Step 6. Admission letter selection. Objective: evaluate multiple admission offers and select the optimal program. Maximizing your option.